A weak prompt can be write about marketing trends. Missing background information leads to generic, unusable results. See the problem? There's no role specified. It's a vague task, zero context, and no format guidance. Specificity and structure lead to better results. No format guidance equals unpredictable, inconsistent output. A strong prompt can be act as a marketing expert. The first one, clarity. Use simple, direct language. State your objective clearly. Avoid ambiguity and be specific about what you want. A bad prompt could be, write something about marketing. And an example of a good prompt that demonstrates clarity could be, write a 300-word blog post about social media marketing trends in 2025. The next one is context. Provide essential background, scenario constraints, and success criteria. Give Manus AI the information it needs to understand your situation. A bad prompt could be, analyze data. And a good prompt would be, analyze the sales data for Q4 of 2024. Our team needs to understand which regions underperformed and why to inform our strategy for Q1 of 2025. Specify the AI's persona, for example, marketing expert, to guide its response. This shapes the tone, depth, and approach of the output. A bad prompt could be, explain SEO. And a good prompt would be, act as a digital marketing consultant and explain SEO strategies to a small business owner with no technical background. Fourth, intent. Clearly state the desired outcome and purpose for decisions or problem solving. Make it clear what this output will be used for. A bad prompt could be, tell me about our competitors. And a good one would be, research our competitors to help our leadership team decide whether to enter the European market. Focus on barriers to entry and competitive advantages. And the fifth one, format. Indicate your preferred output structure. For example, bullet points, report, or summary. Be specific about how you want the information presented. A bad one could be, give me information about project status. And a good one would be, create a project status report in table format with columns for task, status, owner, and deadline. Now, let me show you how to combine these principles into a powerful formula that works consistently. The formula is simple and prover. Role plus, task plus, context plus, format. Apply this formula consistently, and you'll see dramatic improvements in your results. Let us demonstrate with a real-world example. A weak prompt can be, write about marketing trends. See the problem? There's no role specified. It's a vague task, zero context, and no format guidance. A strong prompt can be, act as a marketing expert. Write a 300-word summary of 2024 B2B marketing trends, focusing on AI for a leadership team. See the difference? Let me break it down. The role assumed is that of a marketing expert. The task? Write a 300-word summary. And the context? 2024 B2B marketing trends focusing on AI for leadership team. And the format? 300-word summary. Now let's look at the critical do's and don'ts. A key part of prompting is to provide context. Explain the purpose and audience for your request. Specify the role. Tell the model what perspective to take. That of an analyst, consultant, or developer. Set the format. State word count, structure, or cell requirements. Iterate. Refine your prompts based on results. Don't expect perfection on the first try. Don't. You'll end up with weak results. Avoid open-ended requests without details. Don't skip context. Missing background information leads to generic, unusable results. Don't forget the role. Unspecified expertise reduces output quality significantly. And the last one, don't ignore format. No format guidance equals unpredictable, inconsistent output. The pattern is clear. Specificity and structure lead to better results. Vagueness and lack of guidance lead to outputs that miss the mark. Here's my advice. Start with the formula, role plus task plus context plus format, and make sure to fill in each component explicitly. Over time, you'll develop an intuition for what level of detail Manus AI needs for different types of tasks. And remember, if your first result isn't quite right, that's completely okay. You can refine your prompt and run it again. Think of it as an iterative conversation. Each interaction teaches you how to communicate more effectively with the AI. Your first task, a quick start demo. All right, theory is great, but let's get hands-on. I'm going to walk you through submitting your first task using our proven framework. Here's a simple 5-step process you'll follow every time. Step 1. Write your goal. Tell Manus AI what you want in plain English, using a role plus task plus context plus format formula. Research the top 5 coffee shop competitors in Seattle and their pricing strategies. But we can make this much stronger by applying a principle. Principles. Act as a market research analyst. Research the top 5 coffee shop competitors in Seattle, Washington. For each competitor, provide an overview of their business model, pricing strategy for standard coffee drinks, unique selling propositions, and customer satisfaction indicators based on online reviews. Present your findings in a formatted report with a section for each competitor, and include a comparison table at the end. Step 2. Choose your speed. This is where you optimize execution. Use quality mode for deep, detailed work on important deliverables and speed mode for quick results when exploring or drafting. For this results-oriented task that will inform a business decision, I'll choose quality mode for comprehensive, well-sourced information. Step 3. Submit the task. Let Manus AI work autonomously. Click Submit, and the agents will start planning and executing. Step 4. Watch the progress. One of Manus AI's key advantages is transparency. Watch as it searches, analyzes, and creates in real time. You'll see status updates like planning, research approach, searching for Seattle coffee shops, analyzing competitor pricing, and creating a comparison table. Step 5. Review and refine. Carefully check the output and request changes if needed. If something's missing or needs tweaking, just give follow-up instructions, like add information about each competitor's loyalty program and rewards. That's the basic workflow you'll use for every task. Write a clear, structured prompt, choose your effort mode based on importance, submit and monitor progress, review the output thoroughly, and refine with follow-up requests if needed. Once you get comfortable with this cycle, you'll be automating tasks you never thought possible. The key is practice. The more you do this, the better your prompts will get. Now, here's something that makes life even easier, especially when you're just starting out. Pre-built templates are one of Manus AI's most valuable features for new users. Let me show you why they matter and how to use them effectively. Why templates? There are 3 compelling reasons to use templates. To save time. Instead of building forms from scratch, start with proven structures. Use your prompt. Templates show you what effective prompts look like by example and deliver consistent results. Running similar tasks regularly ensures comparable, reliable outputs. And now, how to use templates. The process is simple and follows 4 steps. Step 1. Browse. Check out pre-built workflows in the template section. Step 2. NQ. Choose one that fits your needs from categories like marketing, management, data science, or IT. Step 3. Customize. Add your specific details to personalize the template for your situation. In Step 4. Run. Launch the task and adjust as needed based on results. Let me show you some popular template categories. So we can see templates for a website builder, a video generator, and if you scroll down, you can see templates for business, for creative, sales and marketing, education, fun, and life. There are many categories available and lots of pre-made templates. Here's the key. Don't just use templates as they are. Customize them for your specific needs. Maybe you want to add a focus, especially on video content and reads, to a social media analysis template. Or compare their strategy to your current approach and suggest improvements in a competitive research template. The template is your starting point, not your end point. It gives you a proven structure, and you add the specific context and requirements that make it valuable for your unique situation. As you gain experience, you'll develop your own templates, save prompts that work well for you, and build a personal library of go-to formulas for recurring tasks. This turns Manus AI into a true productivity multiplier for your regular workflows.
If you enjoyed this video, you can enroll in Great Learning Academy for free. Choose from hundreds of courses across multiple domains and earn a certificate of completion along the way. And if you want to take it a step further, you can try Great Learning Academy Pro Plus with a free trial. It provides access to additional premium courses with more advanced content from distinguished faculty, along with features like guided projects, a resume builder, and mock interviews to make your learning journey even richer. Link is in the description.